Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about multiples of whole numbers up to 100. This is for Mathematics 4. So let us have example 1, multiples of 2. So let us have our solution here. So I want you to be observant of the statement. Look for the restriction or the ending part. What is the last part of the number? There is none here in our statement, right? So it is only multiples of 2. So therefore, we can say that this statement is infinite. For solution, it is like skip counting, but let me show it to you how it is really done. So it is given that we are looking for multiples of 2. Remember the tables of 2? So you will write 2 times 1, that is equal to 2. 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. 2 times 3, that is equal to 6. 2 times 4, that is equal to 8. So these are the multiples of 2, but which part? Is it the part of 2 times 1 or is it 2, 4, 6, 8? So it is the part of 2, 4, 6, 8. This part. So this is the multiples part. How about 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, and 2 times 4? These are the what you called factors. So multiples are the result of multiplying the factors. So that is 2, 4, 6, and 8. So let's write the multiples of 2. So we have here 2, 4, 6, 8. But since we don't have any restriction here, we have to write an ellipsis here. Ellipsis is 3 dots that is placed at the end of your answer to indicate that these numbers are never ending. It is because our statement don't have any restriction with it. And also, we cannot write all of the multiples of 2 literally because it is never ending. Next, multiples of 15. Same process. So let's write solution here. Kindly observe if there is a restriction until what number are we going to solve. But for this part, we don't have any restriction. So therefore, this is an infinite numbers also. So let me guide you. Let's start with 15 times 1. So that's 15. 15 times 2, that is 30. 15 times 3, that is 45. And 15 times 4, that is 60. So, we will be getting this part because these are the multiples of 15. So, let's write it. So, we have here 15, 30, 45, 60. But remember, we don't have any restriction here. It is not stated on what number are we going to end. So therefore, we are going to write an ellipsis here. to indicate that these numbers are never ending. It is because we cannot write all of the multiples of 15 literally. Okay, next. First 5 multiples of 9. So we have here our restriction. We should have the first 5 multiples of 9 only. So this will be our solution. When we say first 5, you should start with 9 times 1. So that's 9. 9 times 2, that's 18. We have here 9 times 3, that's 27. And 9 times 4, that's 36. How many? 5. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one. So that is 9 times 5, that's 45. So therefore, our answer will be 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45. These are the final answer for example number 3. First 5 multiples. We will not write an ellipsis here, the 3 dots that we are doing before. It is because we know how many numbers should we get, and that is 5 only. So therefore, it has a limitation. Okay? Ellipsis is only used when it is an infinite statement that we are going to have. How about the first 5 multiples of 22? Same process. Let's write solution here. And then we have here the restriction, first 5 only. So therefore, let's start our tables of 22 with 22 times 1. That's 22. We also have here 22 times 2. That's 44. 22 times 3. That is 66. 22 times 4. That is 88. And 22 times 5. What is 22 times 5? That is 110. So this is our answer. 22, 44, 68, 66, 88, and 110. So let's write it here. 22, 44, 66, 88, and 110. Again, we will not write an ellipsis here after 110. It is because this statement is not an infinite statement. Okay? We have here restriction. We know what we need. Only the first 5 multiples of 22. Now we have here the first 5. So therefore, there's no number after that. First 5 only. So that is the restriction and the limitation of the statement. How about this? We have here first 10 multiples of 25. So let's have our solution. This is not an infinite statement because we have here our limitation, first 10 only. So we have to start with 1. So 25 times 1, that's 25. 25 times 2, that's 50. 25 times 3, that is 75. 25 times 4, that is 100. 25 times 5, that is 125. 25 times 6, that is 150. How many do we need? 10. So we only have 6 here. So that's 25 times 7. That is 175. And we have here 25 times 8, that is 200. 25 times 9, that is 225. And 25 times 10, that is 250. So we have here the first 10 multiples of 25. So these are 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, and 250. Let's write it here. So we have here 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, and 250. We will not use an ellipsis. It is because our statement has a limitation. We know what we need. Exact value. So that is first 10. 10 numbers only. After that, no numbers that is needed. So that is how you are going to get multiples of numbers. Kindly check for the restriction. If none, then write an ellipsis. Okay? So that's it for today. I hope that you have learned something about multiples. If you have inquiries about the topic or clarifications, kindly message the Honors Tutorials page. Thank you and God bless.